Triple dynamic branch. The triple dynamic branch, or three-legged trouser, is a duct assembly that divides the airflow into three. It is made from a straight duct with dimension Z and also two elbow ducts with dimensions X and Y respectively. The first step is to add the external measurements of the three airflow outlets, X, Y and Z. The result will be called B. Subtract measurement A from B to get the resulting size, which then leads to the calculation of dimension C. Measurement C must be divided by 4 and is then called D. Dimension D is then marked on each side of the ducts, which will eventually be joined, as shown in the images, from the edge of the two duct elbows and main straight duct. Duct elbows X and Y are then cut following this line. Measurements H1 and H2 are then taken to the line marked on straight duct Z and then cut from this line at 45 degrees from H1 and H2. Dimension D will intersect with the other lines marked H and H2. H and H2 are the points at which the ducts intersect. This intersected area needs to be cut out using the CLIMAVER knife or white label tool. The joints are sealed with CLIMAVER glue and then CLIMAVER tape is used to overlap the joint in order to increase its strength.